Could one simple file on your laptop turn into a product that sells again and again without shipping, storage, or physical inventory? Many beginners think online business means buying stock, packing orders, or spending a lot of money before making the first sale. But digital products work differently. You create something once, upload it online, and customers can buy it anytime. The best part is, with the right strategy, even a small idea can grow into a steady income stream. In today's video, we'll explore how to start selling digital products online and break down the exact steps beginners can follow, from choosing an idea to packaging the product, picking a platform, and getting real buyers. Let's dive in. 1. Identify your niche and product idea. The first step is selecting a clear niche and product idea. Beginners often create random files that seem cool, but solve no real problem. The key is focusing on a specific audience with a defined need. Ask yourself, who will benefit from this product? What problem does it solve? And why would they pay for it instead of doing it themselves? Specificity matters. For example, meal planner is vague, but meal planner for busy college students clearly targets a need. Types of digital products are diverse. Educational products include ebooks, PDF guides, mini courses, and tutorials. Templates and frameworks can be Canva designs, Notion planners, or Google Sheets trackers. Creative assets like printable art, stock photography, vectors, fonts, or music loops appeal to designers, teachers, and creators. Technical products like website themes, plugins, scripts, or small SaaS tools serve a more niche, high-value audience. High-value products outperform generic AI outputs. A product that genuinely saves time, teaches a skill, or organizes a task becomes irresistible. Templates, checklists, and workbooks are especially popular because buyers get immediate usability. Avoid overcomplicating your first product. Focus on solving one problem exceptionally well rather than cramming multiple features. Once you master your niche and create a useful product, every next step, from marketing to sales, becomes much easier and more effective. 2. Validate before you build. Validation ensures your product actually meets demand before investing hours of work. Many beginners skip this and create full products only to find nobody wants them. Validation prevents wasted effort and builds confidence in your idea. Start by analyzing competitors on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad. Look for best-selling products, read reviews, and identify gaps. Note what buyers praise, what they complain about, and which problems remain unsolved. Online communities are also a goldmine. Reddit, Facebook groups, Discord servers, and niche forums contain real conversations about challenges, needs, and preferences. Asking simple questions or running polls can reveal what your audience wants most. For instance, you can ask, which plan will help you organize your week faster? Responses guide both product design and marketing strategy. Pre-sales are a powerful validation method. Offer a simplified version of your product at a discount to early buyers. If people are willing to pay before the product exists fully, it's proof of interest. Even free content can validate ideas. A short Instagram reel, YouTube tutorial, or Pinterest post that teaches a relevant tip can indicate demand. People engaging, saving, or sharing that content signals they value the solution your product provides. Validation doesn't require copying competitors. Instead, find your unique angle, whether simple design, niche focus, or better instructions. A product does not need to be brand new to succeed. It needs to be relevant, useful, and positioned perfectly for the audience you want to serve. 3. Choose your selling platform. After validating your product, choose the right platform to sell it. This choice affects traffic, branding, fees, and customer experience. Beginners have 3 main options. First, hosted checkout stores like Gumroad or Payhip. These are easy to set up, handle payments, and sometimes manage taxes. You can focus on creating and marketing your product. The downside is you must bring your own traffic. Platforms alone rarely generate buyers. Second, established marketplaces such as Etsy or Creative Market. These give access to buyers already searching for digital products. Your listings can be discovered without a personal audience. Success depends on strong thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and keywords. Competition is high and fees apply, but marketplaces reduce the initial marketing burden. For beginners, this can be helpful because you can test products faster and learn what buyers respond to. Third, independent stores like Shopify or WordPress with easy digital downloads. This gives full control over branding, customer data, and email lists. You can design a professional store and grow a long-term business. The learning curve is steeper, with monthly costs and technical setup. Beginners often start simple, then expand to an independent store once they have proven products. The best approach depends on your goals, budget, and comfort with technology. Beginners can even combine platforms. Start on a marketplace, then expand to a hosted checkout, and eventually build their own store. What matters most is getting your product in front of real buyers quickly, learning from actual sales, and refining your strategy as you grow. The right platform should make selling easier, not slow you down with confusion. 4. Create and package the product. Once your idea and platform are set, it's time to create a usable product. Keep it simple and focus on delivering a clear result. A good product offers a quick win, something the buyer notices immediately. If it's a planner, the user should feel organized within minutes. If it's a template, it should save time instantly. Avoid overwhelming buyers with too many features in your first product. Drafting tools are essential. Use Google Docs, Canva, Google Sheets, Notion, or other design software to create your files. AI can help with outlines, drafts, and ideas, but human review is necessary. Proofread text, format layouts, and ensure usability. The product must be professional, easy to use, and valuable. Think of the buyer's experience from the first click to the final download. Mock-ups make digital products tangible. Show ebooks on tablets, planners on desks, or templates in use. Buyers make split-second decisions based on perceived value. A clean, realistic mock-up increases conversions. Delivery should be simple. PDFs, zip files, or secure access links. Include clear instructions so customers know how to download and use the product. Confusion leads to frustration and negative reviews. Quality is key. Check spelling, links, file organization, formatting, and functionality before launching. Verify the product works on multiple devices if relevant. Legal considerations matter too. Avoid copyrighted content unless you have rights. A well-packaged, simple, and useful product feels premium even if it's your first launch. When the product feels easy and polished, buyers are more likely to trust you and return for more. 5. Drive traffic and automate sales. Having a product is not enough. People need to see it. Traffic turns your files into revenue. Many beginners think upload equals sales, but exposure is the real driver. Focus on one social platform and one search channel. Social platforms can include TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Search channels can be YouTube, blogs, or Pinterest. This focus keeps marketing manageable. Short videos and posts are effective. Demonstrate how your products solve a problem. Show transformations. A messy schedule turned organized by your planner, or a blank post turned professional using your Canva template. Visual proof helps buyers understand value quickly. People buy faster when they can clearly see the result your product gives them. Email marketing can be automated. Offer a freebie such as a one-page checklist mini template or a sample page to capture emails. Then send automated emails with tips, updates, and product launches. Automation reduces daily work and keeps buyers engaged without constant effort. Platform features also help. Hosted checkouts, marketplaces, and independent stores often allow automatic file delivery and email notifications. This ensures customers get the product immediately, creating a seamless experience. Collect reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content to increase trust. Track performance. Which channels bring traffic? Which posts convert? Which products sell best? Use this data to refine your offerings. Over time, one strong product can become multiple related products. A single freebie can grow an email list, and repeated launches build a mini digital empire. Consistent marketing and automation make digital product income increasingly passive. And there you have it, a complete guide to starting your digital product business. The process works best when you focus step by step. Select a specific niche, validate demand, choose the right platform, create a simple and useful product, package it professionally, and drive traffic consistently. Digital products allow you to create once and sell multiple times, turning effort into recurring income. Quality, usability, and clear marketing are the keys to success. If this video helped, share, and subscribe for more actionable guides. Comment below which product you plan to launch first, and we'll talk more in the next video. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your digital business grow.